Hey. All right. So now we are going to actually use some of the skills that we just played around with in terms of operations and numbers and stuff like that, and actually translate a few expressions and potentially solve them. So we have this first one. 10 is 6 less than a number. Few things that we need to remember. We need to remember what some of these words mean in terms of math. We also need to pay attention to the numbers that are there. So we know that we're going to be having a 10 and a 6 in there. However, we don't know how they're going to be related. So first things first, 10 is. Is means equals. Awesome. It says 6 less than a number. That means I'm going to probably be doing some sort of subtraction. Thing is, I can show subtraction either with a negative number or subtracting from a number. I also know I have a number, which I don't know what it is, so I'm just going to call it X. Now, how am I going to show that I need 6 less than this number? I could say plus a negative 6 like that. Or I could write 10 is equal to X minus 6. So I'm actually showing the subtraction instead of 6 less than that number in terms of a negative number. Cool, cool. Next, negative 10 plus 4 times a number is 14. This one is a lot more straightforward. There's a nuance with subtraction that causes us to then pause. Whenever you see less than, I want you to instantly say, okay, where is the subtraction going to happen? Is it going to happen at the beginning or at the end? How am I going to show that subtraction? So it causes us a little pause. If we look at this one's a lot more straightforward. Negative 10 plus means what? Addition. So we're going to add 4 times a number. Well, we know a number is X. How do I say 4 times? Well, I can say 4 times X. And notice I didn't put X or anything because we want to make sure it's very clear that we are multiplying that X. We know that is equals 14. All done. Negative 10 plus 4 times X equals 14. Now we can solve both of these, right? We can take this one and we can actually solve it and say, well, X is equal to 16. Yay! But make sure when you are doing these in your exit pass and stuff like that, that you're actually writing down your actual translated expression or equation. It's super duper important that you actually show me the equation. So I'm not just thinking that like you're doing all of this work in your head. I truly need to see that you know what you need to do versus just or always doing it in your head. Again, I can't see inside your head, but I can see your work on paper. Yay, and I can do the same thing there. My answer for the translated expression is here. My actual answer for X is there, X equals 6. Last but not least, we have 60 is 20% of what number? So let's see how we can make this work. So 60 equals 20%, which when we look at percents, we can say, oh, well, this is 0.2. That's essentially, we need this number divided by 100. 20 divided by 100 is 0.2. So now I'm going to write 0.2 of multiplication. What number? X. We don't know what number. And so from there, we can actually do the math work. We can divide by 0.2 on both sides. And we can get X is equal to, I'm going to do a little bit of calculation. 60 divided by 0.2 gets me 300. So here is my translated expression. Here is the answer for the variable for that translated expression. Make sure you show both. All right, have at the must-do problems. Enjoy the exit pass, and I will see you later. Bye.